Good morning, children. How are you? Everybody, please open your EVS textbook, page number 130 of lesson number 17. So let's get started. Okay, yesterday we have stopped with the topic water. Okay, so 4 o'clock in the morning, the person in the house, in the hut, all woke up just to collect the water. So let's move towards our next page, that is page number 131. Are you all ready? Come on, let's start. But in the village, there were no fights for water. Now, this girl, she is comparing that in the city, the people, the women, they fight just for water. If even they are late for half a minute, also they start fighting that why you miss my chance. Okay, but in the village, it doesn't happen like that. Okay, there were no fights in the street where Mama lived. There is a toilet, and one end. Everyone in the street uses that toilet. It is always dirty and smells so bad. In the beginning, I feel like vomiting. At times, there is no water. Okay, now the water situation has been completed. Now she is talking about the washroom. That there is only one washroom for the entire people living in that area, and all the people they use that single washroom. Sometimes it is so bad that there is no water. Imagine how dirty it is. Okay, how unhygienic it is. So she feel like vomiting. At times there is not water. We have to take water with us. Now I'm getting used to all this. But still, due to all the problem, people still stay over here. Okay, we have to take water with us. Now I'm used to it. In the village, people go to the open place or field for toilet. Men and women go to different place. Okay, now in the villages, we all know the open place. People used to go for wash. No situation like toilet and all. So this is the thing. So that's it for that's it in this page. Let's move towards our next page. Okay, now let's move towards our next page, that is page number 132. Okay, let's start. Now here the highlighted word is learnt over here written. Can you see? Now what is meant by learnt? Learnt means there are some things which I didn't know earlier, but now I am used to it. Okay, so now let's read. Every day I go to hospital by bus to see my mother. At first I was too scared to get into such crowded bus. I was not at all used to it. I was afraid, but now it is not like that. Okay, now we all know that this girl, she came to Ahmedabad city for her mother treatment. Now she is telling that I have to go to visit my mother daily. And she is a poor girl. She doesn't have enough money. So she has to use what? Public transport, that is the bus. Now she is telling that it is very difficult for her. It was very difficult for her to get into the bus because the bus is a crowded bus. Okay, she was afraid of it. She doesn't know earlier. She doesn't know where how to stand in a queue, from where to buy the tickets, where to stop, everything. But with the passing time, she learned all the things. Okay, and now she is very much comfortable with all these things, where to buy the tickets. She is very confident in it. Okay, so it is just like that. When you are going to a new place, to a new school. Okay, so are you scared of going to a new school? Obviously, because we don't know how it is. But with the passing time, with after some days, you are used to it. Okay, you learned where is that class, then how are the people, where to go. Okay, all these things. So this all happened with this girl also. So after some days, she feels comfortable. Okay, now where we stay, there is a tall building nearby. My mommy work in 7 houses there. She wash utensils and clean the houses. Okay, now she's telling that her mommy, she's working in the 7 houses where she used to do the household work of different houses. Okay, now one day, now coming back to our page number 133. Okay, now here one day I went there with her. When I first saw the building, I thought that it was one big house, but I found that there were many houses, one on the top of another. Now this girl, she has never seen before the buildings. So she had saw the building for the first time, and when she saw the building for the first time, she thought that this is only one bungalow. Okay, this is only the entire one house. But as soon as she entered, she came to know that there are a lot of flats over built another. Okay, now I was wondering how I could climb so many stairs, but there was a lift to take up the people up and down. Now the second thing she is wondering about, that this is such a tall building. Now how will I going to climb the stairs? Okay, but she saw that there was a lift. Now she came to know that there is a lift which take the people up and down. Okay, it was like a big iron cage with fan, light, and even a bell. These are all the things we all know. Okay, but for this girl, it is like a cage. So many of us get into the lift. Somebody pressed the button and the lift went up quickly. Really, I was very scared in the beginning. Now she is telling that in the beginning, for the first time, I was very scared because she is on the lift for the first time.